Hello students, I have prepared another video to teach you all how to write diary entry. Okay. Diary is a kind of a personal document. It records an individual's account of a day of his or her life. It is a great way to keep track of your past. Keeping a diary is a good way of recording the main events of the day. It could be a record of important events or incidents. Basically, you write diary when you want to keep record of day-to-day happenings in your life. So, here is the format for writing diary entry. Okay, write the date, that is day, month and year on the top corner. Okay, then you write the time. Okay, leaving a blank line. You'll write the time and then you may address the diary as your friend and write dear diary or just continue to write your diary entry. Begin the diary entry with a general sentence like describing the day or momentary feeling. Okay, and remember the tense which you will use for writing the diary must be simple past or you can use present perfect and future tense also. Okay, so after writing the body of the diary you will write your name by leaving a blank line. Okay, at last you see writer's name means your name must be written. Now I will show you how to write a diary. Okay, let's start. Suppose you spent a part of your vacation with your grandparents. Write a diary entry about your visit to a museum with your grandmother. You will have to write about your experience, how you felt after going there, what all you saw there and everything. So on the top left we will write first today's date, that is June 29, 2020, and then you can address the diary as your friend and write dear diary, or you can simply start writing the diary. It's not necessary to write dear diary. Okay, so body we can start like this. Today was an exciting day. Grandma took me on a surprise outing. We left home at about 9 a.m. and boarded a bus. A few minutes later, the bus stopped near a large gate. Beyond the gate, I could see a long road with well-maintained lawns, behind which stood a tall white building called the Brook Museum. Okay? A cheerful guide took us around to see the ancient marble statues, crockery, things made of ivory, beautifully carved old wooden furniture, metal statues, and a treasure trove of historic things. We were so engrossed in seeing all this that we did not realize that it was noon. Grandma had packed some tasty cheese sandwiches and strawberry cake for lunch. After our delicious meal, we returned back to the museum to continue our tour. We went on to see a good number of clocks collected from different European countries. There were birdcage clocks, bracket clocks, grandfather clocks and skeleton clocks from the 18th century. It was nearing 3 o'clock when the guide stopped near an unusual British bracket clock and requested all the visitors to gather around it. As the clock struck 3, a miniature toy soldier came out of an enclosure and struck the gong thrice and returned back to the enclosure. It was time to go back home. I enjoyed every moment of my visit there. At the end, you will write your name. I hope you will be able to write the diary entries which will be given in the assignment. Thank you.